Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to search within the designers in the Outnet application, but first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the A to Z designers at the bottom of the page in the middle. And first just set if you want to browse within men or women clothing. And as you can see, you can either search for designers or you can just scroll down where you will find in an alphabetical order all the available designs within the application. So for example, if you want to see some Calvin Klein clothing, then just click on that and you will be able to see all the products. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.